From Dr. Shahnaz Naeem. To all my brothers and sisters, Assalamu alaikum. We have completed already understanding of namaz with translation, and now the God has guided us to start the understanding of Quran Pak, the holy book of Muslims, not only Muslims, for all the humanity. The book which is revealed on Hazrat Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam, the last book revealed on the last prophet of Allah Ta'ala. And this is not only a book, this is a book for guidance. We have already learned the first surah, Surah Fatiha, and its translation with namaz. Now we are going to start the second surah, Surah Baqarah is second surah of Quran Pak after Surah Al-Fatiha, which is the first one. And we already read Surah Al-Fatiha with namaz, in namaz with translation. Now we are going to start the second surah of Quran Sharif. First of all, we learn word by word first 5 ayat of Surah Baqarah with translation in English.
A'udhu billahi minash shaitanir rajim. Suratul Baqarati Madaniyya. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Alif Lam Mim. Dhalikal kitabu la raiba fihi hudal lil muttaqin alladzina yu'minuna bil ghaibi wa yuqimuna as-salata wa mimma razaqnahum yunfikun wallazina yu'minuna bima unzila ilayka wa ma unzila min qablik wa bil akhirati hum yuqinun. Ulaika ala hudam mir rabbihim wa ulaika humul muflihun. Sadaqallahu khaliqunal azim.
Alif Lam Mim. These are the 3 words which are starting in the Surah Al-Baqarah. These are separate harf. Zalikal kitab zalika, this, kitabu, book, la, no, raiba fi, raiba, doubt, fi, in. So this is a book which has no doubt in it. Hudal lil muttaqin, hudal, guidance, la, for those, hudal lil muttaqin, guidance for those who fear from Allah Ta'ala. This book has no doubt in it and a guidance for those who fear from God or Allah Ta'ala. Allazina yu'minuna bil ghaib. Allazina, those people who yu'minuna, believe, be in ghaib, unseen. All those persons who believe on unseen. وَيُقِيمُونَ الصَّلَاةَ, wa and yuqimun, steadfast, salah mean salah, prayer. Who steadfast for their prayers, wa and mean of ma, what, wa mimma razaqna, provided by God, and what God has provided to them, from that, whom them yunfikun, spend out to others. So who believe in the unseen and are steadfast in salah or prayer and spend out what we have provided them to others. وَالَّذِينَ يُؤْمِنُونَ بِمَا أُنزِلَ إِلَيْكَ. Then wa means and, وَالَّذِينَ, who and who, yu'minuna, believe on. Believe on what? Bima unzila, be in ma, what, unzila, has been revealed, ilayka. Here the Quran Pak is revealing on Hazrat Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam. Here ilayka is referred to the last holy prophet Hazrat Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam. Wa and ma, what, unzila, has been revealed, mean on, qablik, before you. And wa and bil akhirati, and they believe on hereafter. Hum bil akhirati, hum, and they believe on hereafter. Yuqinun, believe, they believe, they 100% believe. And who believe in what has been revealed to you and what has been revealed before you, and they have faith in hereafter. So these are the different characteristics of mu'minin or muttaqin, who are near to God. Ulaika ala hudam mir rabbihim. Ulaika, they are on Allah, on hudam, guidance, true guidance, mean from Rabb, Allah Ta'ala, Rabbihim, their Rabb. Wa ulaika humul muflihun. Wa and ulaika, these people, who are muflihun, who are successful. They are the one who are on true guidance from their Lord, from their Allah Ta'ala, and these are the one who are successful. Thank you very much. We have just finished the translation of first 5 ayat of Surah Baqarah. Now we will go for the translation ayat by ayat. First ayat, Alif Lam Mim. This is the first verse of Surah Al-Baqarah and it consists of only 3 letters. This is not a word. These are the separate letters, Alif, Lam, Mim. And we know that by reciting a single letter of Quran Pak, we get 10 rewards. So by reciting 3 letters of start of Surah Baqarah will give us 30 rewards. The meaning of these 3 letters we cannot interpret because it was never interpreted by our holy prophet Hazrat Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam. Then Zalikal Kitabu. This is a book revealed from Allah Ta'ala, a book revealed on Hazrat Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam, our last holy prophet. A book for the guidance, a book which is just truth, nothing else. A book which is not only for Muslims but all the humanity, all the human beings for guidance. A book having no disturbance in it since it is revealed on Hazrat Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam. Up till now, many other books revealed, but many changes have been made in those books. But in Quran Pak, not a single word or single zer zabar page could be changed because the God has promised to safeguard this book. And without any doubt, La raiba fi, there is no doubt in it that this divine book is revealed from God. And no one is here to bring like this book. No one could bring a book like in comparison to Quran Pak, or even a surah, or even an ayat of Quran Pak. Hudal lil muttaqin. And this is a guidance for the muttaqi persons, not for all persons. If someone say that we read Quran and we couldn't get anything and nothing in our practice changed due to reading of Quran. Quran Pak is guidance for the muttaqi persons. There are some criteria to be a muttaqi person. First of all, that we should have 100% belief that this book is revealed from the God and it is truth. When we have this belief, when we read it, when we understand it, what guidance is given in this book, we will adopt in our acts. And when we adopt in our acts, then we will step forward to be towards the muttaqi persons. What is a muttaqi? Muttaqi is the people who are guided from the God. And what is taqwa? Taqwa is that we believe in God and we do nothing as what God doesn't like it. We commit all our acts according to the guidance of God, guidance of Allah Ta'ala provided in this book, in holy book Quran Pak. And at what time we can adopt these guidance? Only when we can understand it and when we have full belief on it and we considered as muttaqi people, and then there will be guidance for us, then it affects on us. We can get the guidance from this book. If we are not the muttaqi people, we remain unable to get the guidance from this book. So if we want to seek the guidance from this book, first of all, we have to adopt all those in our actions what God has guided us in this book. Then God has described about the mu'min, the persons who believe on God. The God has given the characteristics of those persons. Allazina yu'minuna bil ghaib. Allazina, the persons. Yu'minuna, they believe. Bil ghaib, unseen. They believe on unseen. The persons, those persons who believe on unseen. What is unseen? We didn't have seen Allah Ta'ala. No one has seen Allah Ta'ala. Malaika. No one has seen Malaika. Then the Day of Judgment, Qiyamah, Day of Judgment, when our actions will be checked. What we have done in this world, we believe in it that the God is recording our all acts, and at the Day of Judgment it will be rechecked what we have done. We have done the good deeds or we have committed the sins, and we will be rewarded fully and fully. In this world, no one is here to reward or to punish anyone 100% according to their acts. But we have this belief that at the Day of Judgment, all our acts, good or bad, will be rewarded or punished accordingly and in fully concurrence of our commitments, what we have done in this world. So it prevents us to do the bad deeds. It guides us to remain on the straight path. So what is the characteristics of mu'min? First of all, that they believe on unseen. Then وَيُقِيمُونَ الصَّلَاةَ, and they steadfast their prayers. They take care of their prayers. They prioritize their prayers. Their all activities are encircled around the prayers. Their activities could not give the time to the prayers, but the priority is prayers and then other works. And works, acts according to the guidance of God and what we are committing in front of God in prayers. وَمِمَّا رَزَقْنَاهُمْ يُنْفِقُونَ, and what God has provided to us with wealth, with knowledge, with the ability to do something. Anything what God has provided us, we have to share it with other our brothers and sisters who don't have. It could be our wealth. It could be our knowledge. It could be our smile. It could be our good deeds. So we have to spend from what God has given to us to our other brothers and sisters. So these are the three characteristics in this ayat. Then in the next ayat, some more characteristics are described. وَالَّذِينَ يُؤْمِنُونَ بِمَا أُنزِلَ إِلَيْكَ. And these are those persons who believe on what is revealed on Hazrat Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam, the holy book Quran Majid. They don't doubt it. This book is revealed on our last prophet Hazrat Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam about 1400 years ago, when there is no science. And this book contains all the answers of the questions which one can think or which one needs to be answered. This book has the knowledge about physics, chemistry, biology, physiology, astrology. This is not a one person's work. No one is able to give this knowledge 1400 years ago, which was not confirmed by the scientists, which they are going to confirm it about 200-300 years before with their experiments. And it is proving that what is written in Holy Quran is truth. And now the scientists are confirming these things. Then, وَمَا أُنزِلَ مِن قَبْلِكَ, and what is revealed before Hazrat Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam. Hazrat Adam alayhi salam, the first person on this earth, and he was Muslim. He was Payghambar. Islam was not started with the Holy Prophet Hazrat Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam. Islam was started when the first person stepped on earth. And many time to time, Paygambars and messengers, God messengers came in this world to guide their people according to the guidance required in those eras. For example, Torah is revealed on Hazrat Musa alayhi salam, Zabur on Hazrat Daud alayhi salam, and Injil on Hazrat Isa alayhi salam. And in all these books, it is mentioned that the last Payghambar Hazrat Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam will born in this world and complete this religion. And also some sahifas also, some papers also revealed on certain Paygambars. So the mu'minin will have to believe on what is revealed on Hazrat Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam from God, and also what is revealed on different Paygambars in different era. وَبِالْآخِرَةِ هُمْ يُوقِنُونَ, and also believe on the day of judgment. They believe, they 100% believe that there will be, inshallah, day of judgment. We have to be presented in front of God, in front of Allah Ta'ala. We have to be answered about our actions, what we have committed in this world. We have to be rewarded or punished for these actions, what we have committed in this world. So, in these two ayat, the God has described the characteristics of mu'mineen or muttaqeen, and these are the one who can get the guidance from this Quran Pak. Not the one who are only reading it without understanding it, reading it to prove it false, to reading it for show, or reading it to get some money, to reading it to get some reward. So please, if we want to take the guidance from this book, we have to adopt the paths, what are the characteristics, what the God has described in 2 ayahs. Then the next ayat says, Ulaika ala hudam min rabbihim. These are the persons who have these characteristics, that they believe on unseen, they steadfast their prayers, they spend from what they have been provided from the God, they believe on what is revealed on Hazrat Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam, the holy book, Quran Pak, and also the books which were revealed on the other messengers time by time, and they believed on hereafter. So these peoples are having the true guidance from the God. Wa ulaika humul muflihun, and these are the one who are successful in this world, because when they will go, they will be presented in front of Allah Ta'ala at the day of judgment. They will be rewarded with Jannah, where the limitless powers, the limitless fruits, the limitless happiness, the limitless facilities will be provided from the God. And in the world, they will be near to Allah Ta'ala, and they can easily seek the guidance from this book. Thank you very much. If you like this lesson, please subscribe my channel, like it and share it, so that the message of Quran, the holy book, can be conveyed to all the human beings in this world. Thank you very much.